ไปใช้หนอตาเดี๋ยวไปหอตักไปใช้เลยรู้เลยทัดนู้รู้ไปยีเลยนะวัดที่ไปเจ้าเราไปเจ้าอีนก็ปีกันแล้วนะเธอทัดนู้น้องนอดีไปกันตัวใช้จังตัวใช้หนาเจียกันตา
They go in and they're like, this book would be really helpful, then you can purchase that. But I would say, if you really need a book in your class, they're going to list this.
เป็นเชลุนตาลูกเชลุนตาไปหลังเชลุนหลังเชลุนลูกเป็นเชลุนตินอตาเลยเจตาลุตินอเลยเจหลังเชลุนอเลยตัวเก็บไปก็ตอนนั้นเลยตัวนั้นคู่ไว้เจ้าเป็นที่นำมาเช็ดลงก็ฮัลโหลร้องซื้อ
Feels like she's recording and she's going to have the whole map down. So this building is scanned into most of our buildings use your ID. Have you gotten your ID yet? Okay. How do you, Okay, otherwise, I can take you guys down to get it today, if that would be helpful, or you can send in a photo, whatever you'd like. I will say the people that send in photos have much nicer looking IDs. I look crazy in my ID photo. So this is our Butler Center, this is our athletic building on campus. We have 13 sports here at St. Kate's, all day 3. Going to those events is included in your tuition. We have some really, like, I don't know if you like watching sports, kind of. We have some really cool women's sports here, so some competitors want to follow our soccer teams here. It is fun.
Immersive experience.
I think also because our athletes and students are really separated, you'll find
Tập để nó mà vô chứ
which is really cool, like you can cheer on.
Tại chỉ có số cái gì mà rồi rong tại sao chỉ có số cái gì nó lúc không
They
sport
use this space for basketball, dance, and volleyball primarily, but we do have a not 24/7, but whenever this building's open, this track is open, so even if there's a team practicing in here, you can walk the track. We also have a golf simulator up there. Any questions about this space? There's not a team in it. You can like rent out basketballs and play with friends in here, and then we also have another multi-use gym space downstairs.
Oh,
Yeah.
it'd be a good spot to know so that if you need to take a break.
It's great in the winter. It's like, it's so cool outside, sometimes you just need to like walk and feel the thoughts. We also have, in our student center, we have a sauna, which is really nice in the winter, because you can like go warm up. classes and space classes. On our left is our swim center. We have free swim hours for students and women only swim hours. And there's a sauna down there, which I was telling your mom about in the winter is really nice because you can like warm up, especially being from California. Yeah. So.
You have to get a real winter jacket.
And then here's our cardio room. So we have lots of different equipment. Our sports science club with us QR codes, but it doesn't get super busy in here, and it's kind of like mostly women that work out here because it kind of like mirrors our student population. So yeah. And then I can bring you guys down. We have our weight rooms downstairs. Are you interested in like